I just said before, um, I do not want to talk about Danmar Dayaw. You know Danmar Dayaw and Ate Dina Guillermo. Please, both of you, stop making politics. You know, Ate Mel Canete, she doesn't like Bongbong Marcos. Oh, uh, Kuya Rodelio Daguman doesn't like Bongbong Marcos. Oh, because both of them are anti-Marcos. Oh, at least I apologize to Ate Mel Canete that I edited the picture. It's Squid Game. I hope me and Ate Mel Canete, we're good friends. Somehow she very kind at me and I said I call her in telephone. Where was Teacher May, Tiburcio? And I said to her, she's in the house, I think. You know that, she's in the house. Oh. And I say again, Danmar Dayaw and Ate Dina Guillermo. If your parents died, I said again, Danmar, who will taking care of you? Oh. Oh, you want to defend Cedric Mariano to say about to blaming Rodelio Daguman that he's not doesn't do anything. You know, Danmar, I'm not picking you a fight. I am here to lecture you. You need to stop bullying others. You're the one who bullying me. Even Ate Dina Guillermo always to bullying me, calling that magmamadali. Oh, you know, Ate Dina Guillermo, you're not a teacher aide in CDIFI. Oh, Ate Rona is very kind at me. Oh, she doesn't do anything to me. Oh, you know that. You know, this is hard to say. Danmar Dayaw, Ate Dina Guillermo, Eskel Penumbra, and also Paulo Cruzada, not Paulo Cruzada, even Cedric Mariano. Oh, this is hard to say to all of you. Please do not politicalize Rodelio Daguman. If I warn you, Cedric Mariano, you need to stop. You need to stop with your, for example, bullying. Oh, the focus anyway, your art and your drawings. We have to be non-political. Oh, even you, Eskel Penumbra, whether you like to talk about politics, do not talk about politicalize or political affiliation. You don't know what your understanding means, Eskel Penumbra. Just like I said to all of you, I mean, I never want to bully in social media like Facebook, or I never bully Teacher Gia Malana or Teacher Vincent Ramos. So I apologize to them. I talked to Franco Morales. Franco Morales was right. We have to be non-political. Oh, just like I said, look at Franco Morales. So I talked to him. Who will you vote president? Who do you vote president of the Philippines? He said to me, Leni Robredo. Oh, me, I apologize to Franco Morales that I'm the one who endorsed Bongbong Marcos. Oh, humingi na ako ng pasensya kay Franco Morales. I know this is what my consequence was. Oh, I was scammed by Bongbong Marcos. Oh, because he doesn't know he's a drug addict. At least I'm just gonna say to Danmar Dayaw, oh, Danmar, listen to your parents. Don't talk about political affiliation. Like, you talk about political, you talk about, you saying about Bongbong Marcos. Oh, if people there are hating Bongbong Marcos, are you gonna criticize them? Are you gonna say you're going to criticize everyone? That they are not doing anything if they are anti-Marcos? Oh, you need to learn your lesson. This is hard to say to those Marcos loyalists who are fake Filipinos. You don't know what is social media etiquette. that lesson from Teacher May. Oh, Teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, this is a huge slap to Larry Gadon. Larry Gadon, I say again, you need to listen, you need to show us social media etiquette before you think you judge Sara Duterte. Oh, if I were you, Larry Gadon, you're the one who curses the Raisa Robles with profanity words. Because, for me, I'm not saying bad words. Those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, they don't know about social media etiquette. Including Sangkay Janjan, named John Anthony, even who else, the bloggers, Romeo TV Blog. Oh, Romeo TV Blog, I say again, if I were you, you need to show us social media etiquette. Wag ka puro banat. Like I said, I do not want to make a argument. Everyone are anti-Marcos. I say again, if I just heard from Luis Cabales, even others who were anti-Marcos, respect their own opinion. This is hard to say. Just like I said before, I suggest Cedric Mariano to delete the fake account in Facebook for using Rodelio Daguman to troll everyone, to bully anyone. I'm the one who's a victim of cyberbullying and victim blaming. You always doctrine me that I was a member of Hands Inclusion Philippines. Danmar, Dayaw, including Cedric Mariano. Hands Inclusion Philippines is a non-political. Don't talk about politics. Even I'm just saying, if you whether talk about politics, we have to be neutral. I apologize to Danmar Dayaw, even Cedric Mariano. But I'm just warning them, if they apologize to me, I have no related to politics. I always to be non-political because I don't talk about politics. Like Franco Morales. He was very smart. Even Bam Hernando. He's also very smart. Both are not talking about politics. We have to be non-political. When I was told by Franco Morales, and he said to me, we have to be non-political. We have to be non-political. The time I just suggest to those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, Ate Dina Guillermo, and Danmar Dayaw, Eskel Penumbra, including Sangkay Janjan and Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, and Ate Dina Guillermo, I said to all of you, listen to Teacher May Tiburcio, listen to Ate Rona about how to use social media etiquette. Don't talk about full of politics, full of bullying, full of negatives. I don't want too much negatives. If you bash Kuya Rodelio Daguman, I suggest to Danmar Dayaw and Cedric Mariano, just leave him alone. Don't talk about Rodelio Daguman. Like I said to you, it's easy how to move on kasi easy kasi yung mga mag-move on. Like I said, uso kasi mag-move on. We have to be move on. For me, I move on with Kuya Rodelio Daguman for what he did to me, what he made a mistake, for cursing me a bad words. He apologized to me. When he apologized to me, I forgive him. Cakes to Kapitana Salonga. That's why Kapitana Salonga says, when those people who are pro Duterte and anti Marcos, let's stop these fights. At least we have to learn a lesson. At least I learned about the lesson from Franco Morales. I learned that lesson from Teacher May Tiburcio, or even in Barangay, or even that lesson from Capitana Salonga. Those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, including Danmar Dayaw and Ate Dina Guillermo, including Sangkay Janjan and Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, and Eskel Penumbra. All of you should be non-political, non-alignment, non-politics. We should not talk about politics. That's all. We have to be non-political. Look at Ate Pura. She's non-political. Oh, because she is a mother of Miguel Bonono. She never talks of politics. I know I apologize to Ate Pura Bonono. I'm the one who endorsed Bongbong Marcos. But I realize he is really a drug addict. And Ate Pura knows it, that he's a drug addict. But I apologize to Ate Pura that I will never do that again. Ever again. And I say to Ate Pura, and even Miguel Bonono, I say to Miguel, oh, I never talk about politics. Oh, I never talk about politics. We have to be non-political, Danmar Dayaw. Why I call you abnormal? Oh, I said, you're the one who bully Rodelio Daguman. Oh, if I were you, Danmar Dayaw, listen to Roylan Marlang. Enhanced Inclusion Philippines is a non-political Danmar. We do not talk about politics. Like I said. However, if I talk about politics, I never talk about politics. Just like I said, thanks to Franco Morales and J. Rick Silva for learning me a lesson. Oh. And then they learn a lesson about social media etiquette. Oh, we have to be you need to be how to be responsible, how to use Facebook, Danmar. Do not doctrine Cedric to create trolls, to create fake account, to ruin Kuya Rodelio Daguman, to ruin David Gill, even me. Even the other people, they did not do anything right or wrong. We need to be responsible. Just like I said, I never want to do that to Nanay Ningning as well. Oh, when I apologize to Nanay Ningning, when I call her an asshole word, when I talk to Franco Morales, it will never be happen to Nanay Ningning. Oh. Because Nanay Ningning is a German citizen. She was in 1988. Because I know she has a previous citizenship as a Filipino. She has a Philippine passport. Oh, when she migrated to Germany, when she married to Uncle Eugene in 1987, that was the after the EDSA People Power Revolution. Oh, Nanay Ningning is already married to Uncle Eugene in 1987, because I do realize Nanay Ningning is older than Jude Goles' grandfather. Oh, because I know Nanay Ningning, she was a German citizen in 1988 when she returned to the Philippines after the EDSA People Power Revolution. Oh, she returned because I know Nanay Ningning was exiled there in Germany because she was a victim of Marcos Sr. martial law. Oh, this is hard to say. Danmar Dayaw. Oh, Ate Dina Guillermo. Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlog. Including Eskel Penumbra and Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan and Ate Dina Guillermo. Oh, think what is really happened is think what is really happened. I've been talk with Teacher May. Teacher May said to me about the kaysaysayan ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas, about Ferdinand Marcos Sr. He is the greatest robbery of the government. Di magnanakaw pala si Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Unlike his son, Bongbong Marcos, is also a thief, magnanakaw. Is this what you think it is? I say again, Danmar Dayaw, Sangkay Jan, Romeo TV Vlog, even Nino Barsaga, Ate Dina Guillermo, and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, and other Marcos loyalist blogger or BBM blogger. Don't create too much trolls. I know this is really upset. This is really bullying. If I were say to all of you, kung ako ang maging presidente ng Pilipinas, like I said, I will wipe out all the trolls, and I will make Philippines to be good governance, and I will continue on war on drugs. And I want to tell the Facebook, to all DDS supporters, do not restrict their Facebook account. If I was become a president of the Philippines, that's what I'm saying. Just like I said, if Sara Duterte become a president of Philippines, pag naging presidente na si Sara, like I said before, she will ask Facebook not to restrict the Duterte supporters, bloggers. She will make the good governance of the government of the Philippines. She will continue the war on drugs of her father, Rodrigo Duterte. And the legacy will be made to fight against corruption. This is what I'm saying to those idiot Marcos loyalists who were not giving lots of opportunity for making trolls.